Hello and welcome back. Let's face it, we have all been told that getting a degree would open up doors for us. For years, we have been working hard to get that degree, thinking it's the key to success. But here's the hard truth: your degree is just a piece of paper. It's important, no doubt. It shows that you have knowledge and you have put in the work, but it's not enough. In the real world, what matters most is what you do after you get that degree. It's not just about what you have, but how you apply it, how you network, and how you position yourself in the ever changing job market. Real world value is created through skills, mindset, and visibility, not just a degree. Having the right skills in today's fast moving world is essential. Whether it's technical skills, communication skills, or leadership skills, your ability to adapt and learn on the job will get you much further than just having a degree. But it's not just about what you can do, it's about how you think. Your mindset will determine how you handle challenges, how you stay resilient in the face of setbacks, and how you approach problem solving. And then there's visibility. In a crowded job market, no one's going to know what you can do unless you put yourself out there. Build a digital presence, network, and take initiative. These are the things that will set you apart. Networking is everything. It's not just about who you know, it's about who knows you. In today's world, getting ahead isn't just about qualifications. It's about building relationships, staying visible, and making connections that will help you grow. Your degree might get your foot in the door, but it's networking that will help you land the job. Find the opportunities and get the referrals that matter. People want to work with people they trust and know. So get out there, attend industry events, connect with people online, and always be building your network. Even if you're just starting out, never underestimate the power of a great connection. No one ever stops learning, and if they do, they fall behind. Self learning is the key to staying relevant in the world that never stops evolving. The skills you learned in college are important, but they are just the beginning. Once you graduate, you must keep learning. Pick up new skills, take online courses, read, and invest in your growth. The most successful people are those who continually push themselves to learn more, do more, and be more. Your degree might have taught you the basics, but your self learning will make you an expert in your field. So, commit to lifelong learning and you will be ahead of the curve. Here's the truth: waiting for opportunities will get you nowhere. You have to create your own. Success is about taking initiative, stepping up, speaking up, and making things happen for yourself. Don't wait for permissions to start a project or pitch an idea. Go out there, take risks, and create your own path. The more initiative you take, the more visible you become. The more visible you are, the more opportunities will come your way. But if you stay passive and wait for things to happen, you will be left behind. Let's be clear: your degree can open doors, but it's who you are, how you act, and how you show up that will determine if you get to stay in the room. Don't think for a second that having a degree guarantees success. It doesn't. What guarantees success is your ability to build relationships, stay adaptable, and constantly prove your value. If you want to succeed, get out there. Keep learning, network relentlessly, and take initiative. Only then will you stay in the room and rise to the top. Remember, your degree doesn't guarantee success. You do. The world is waiting for people who are skilled, proactive, and willing to take the leap. So, what are you waiting for? Don't just rely on that paper. Go out there and make it happen. And don't forget to subscribe to Little More Learning for more career advice and tips that will help you level up. Start taking initiative today. Don't just wait for the world to come to you.